Manju Mathur of Raval Convent School. Today I am going to explain you subject-verb agreement. Basic rule of subject-verb agreement. Singular subjects must have singular verbs. Plural subjects take plural verbs. Rules on subject-verb agreement. The pronoun you always take a plural verb. Example, you were invited to come. You are asked to clean the room. You sing so well. If a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agrees with the subject which follows it. Examples, here are the ways on how to preserve meat. There is a huge gap between the rich and the poor. If two subjects, one single and one plural, are connected by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearer subject. Examples, neither the players nor the coach is joining. Either the conductor or the singers are attending the concert. A singular subject followed by intervening words or phrases such as with, as well as, in addition to, accompanied by, together with, and, no less than, takes a singular verb. Examples, Jake, accompanied by his sisters, is enrolling in PCC. Daddy, as well as my brothers, is enjoying the party. Singular subjects joined by and require a plural verb, except when they mean one thing. Examples, Larry and Mercy are reading novels. My teacher and friend is here. Two singular subjects joined by either or neither nor take a singular verb. Examples, either mommy or daddy is coming with me at the outbound. Neither Faraday or Dulles is waiting for you. If a singular subject is followed by a phrase containing a plural noun, the verb is singular. Examples, one of the boys is yelling so loud. One of the members is against the rule. The indefinite pronouns, several, few, both, many, others are always plural. Examples, both were asking to be freed. Several are seeking justice. The indefinite pronouns, some, most, all, none are singular or plural according to the meaning of the sentence. Examples, some of the girls were absent. Some of the ice cream is left. When any of the following indefinite pronouns is the subject, the verb is singular. Everybody, each, no one, another, anybody, nobody, every, nothing, everything, anyone, either, neither, everyone, somebody, someone. Example, every man and woman in this hall is a member. Expressions of time, money, weight, and distance are singular, even if the form is plural. 2 years is a long time to wait. $1 million was given back to the owner. When the amount of money refers to separate units, the verb is plural. Examples, 5 25 centavo coins were found. 60 100 peso bills were added to the budget. The following words are always plural: pants, trousers, pliers, scissors, shears, tongs. However, if the word pair is used, the verb is singular. The pants are torn into two. The pair of scissors was placed on the table. Certain nouns, though plural in form, are singular in meaning and therefore take singular verbs. Examples, mathematics is my favorite subject. The latest news is alarming to the public. When the word is preceded by a, it takes a plural verb. When it is preceded by the, it takes a singular verb. Examples, a number of students are waiting outside. The number of students outside is not recorded yet. When fractions are used, the verb agrees with the object of the phrase. Examples, One of the cake was consumed. One-fourth of the employees were attending the seminar. These nouns may be singular or plural in meaning. Athletics, genetics, politics, gymnastics, statistics. When the noun refers to an organized activity, it is singular. When the noun refers to the activities of individuals within a group or to varied activities, it is plural. Gymnastics is a very popular among girls. The gymnastics shown in the field today were outstanding. The name of a country is always regarded as singular. The examples: the Bahamas has beautiful beaches. Philippines is a wonderful place. Adjectives used as nouns are considered plural. Examples: the poor are to be helped. The efficient are what this country needs. Collective nouns may be singular or plural, depending on whether the individual members are acting individually or collectively. These nouns are company, group, committee, crowd, jury, flock, team. Examples: the committee is against the plan, acting collectively, singular. The committee are of different opinion, acting individually, plural. In the use of mathematical expressions, the following are accepted. Examples: 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 and 3 are 10. 5 times 2 are 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. Titles of books, plays, articles, movies, etc. are regarded as singular, even though words in the title may be plural. Examples: In Dreams Begin Responsibilities is a story by D. Squatters. Great Expectation is a must-read novel. Name of organizations take a singular verb when the whole organization is referred to, and a plural verb when the members are referred to. Examples: Lopez and Sons is a successful organization. Lopez and Sons are holding a 2-day annual meeting. If a sentence begins with the expletive if, the verb is always singular, even if the subject that follows the verb is plural. Examples: It is the schools which must assume the responsibility. It is us who must take care of the environment. Hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.